Hello, and welcome to Maria's 1K subscriber special. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and tonight is a very special night where I'm surrounded by my close friends, and we're going to do the roast of Maria, because on my Instagram I asked what people wanted to see me do for my 1K subscriber special, and someone recommended my friends roasting me, which is not a hard thing to do because I do very stupid things. And now we're going to do it while roasting marshmallows. Yes, Pan to Jerry roasting a marshmallow. And yeah, I'm excited for this.
Jerry's very dark.
Yeah, Jerry. Yeah. Okay, I think that's good.
Closer to the fire.
Get closer.
So that we can see your face. Yeah, okay, good.
Okay, good.
We see Jerry's face better than yours, so that's fine.
Lol.
Maybe better.
More B-roll footage of the campfire.
Lol.
So hi, I'm Jordan. I'm the Roast Master General for tonight's festivities. Congratulations on 1,000 subscribers.
Why, thank you, Jordan.
Yeah, for somebody who doesn't like getting catcalled by your subscribers so much, you seem to enjoy your Discord profile picture quite a lot.
Wow, thank you.
Give us some context.
Yeah, give them some context.
She had a picture made by one of her subscribers that nobody liked terribly much, and then someone like edited it, and now it's just something that we have to look at and pretend we enjoy every day. So yeah.
But it's a theme in our Discord.
Yeah.
Me and Sam. We
Yeah,
both have
both
beautiful profile pictures.
All right, Safi, you're on the roasting log.
Hi guys, my name is Safi. I'm a good friend of Maria.
Sure you
and yeah, well, I mean, I try. It's tough. Trust me, it's tough. Anyways, congratulations on 1K subs. You're gonna get 100K soon, and hell, who knows, maybe a million, hopefully. Anyways, so going off of what Jordan said, your profile picture, we have to pretend to like that. Well, honestly, the profile picture isn't the only thing about her that we have to pretend to like. Sheesh. Anyway. Okay, Maria. So I'll never forget the first time that we met. I'll keep trying to, honestly. You can.
All right, Liran, you're up.
Howdy, I'm Liran. Congrats on 1,000.
Okay.
I don't know, I guess your friends just didn't hate you enough, so you decided to hate yourself and start a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
We won't make that mistake again, don't worry.
Thank you.
I'm really curious, why did you end up starting, right? You say it's like you enjoy doing it, but is that really true, or is it just like a backup because you're afraid that you're gonna fail school?
Yeah, most likely.
Like a backup plan, But it's okay, at least you started early on it. It's good, it's good. And, well, you're already 1,000, so how bad can it be, right? May as well just drop out early and get on with the show.
I'm gonna need a therapist after this.
Okay.
We're back. It's honestly starting to get tough for me. Anyways, Maria can be a little two-faced at times. Unfortunately, neither of those faces are attractive.
Why do you like this? Wow.
Jordan, are you up next?
I guess. I don't want to be too mean though. It's okay, bro. Don't worry.
Okay, I'm used to this.
God.
I'm used to this. My mom tells me these things every day, don't worry.
It honestly frightens me to be around someone so incompetent, but yet so confident all the time.
Yeah, that's true.
So, it's been like a year now, right? Around a year?
Almost, yeah.
Still can't capitalize your videos properly?
No.
Yeah, okay, that's okay. Still ask for help on everything, single thumbnail?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, that's okay. That's alright.
Well, not every single thumbnail, but some of them.
It's okay, it's okay. And, so, I guess the success didn't come overnight, right? But I mean, I feel like there was at least some desperation involved when you made your ASMR video, right? Your mechanical keyboard.
No.
There had to have been something, right? I mean, that video has double the views of any other video on your channel.
No.
Yeah, I checked. It has 10,000. Your next one has 4,000.
Oh, you mean that keyboard video?
Yes.
Yeah.
How is that ASMR?
Wow.
Well, it's like half-assed ASMR, There's maybe
Wow.
2 minutes of actual ASMR.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're right. I actually didn't want to post that video. I was like, this is dumb. And then I posted it, and then everyone loves keyboards, so they just watched it. I was like, interesting.
Yeah, it's the keyboard that they love, I'm
it's
pretty
the
sure.
keyboard.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Keyboards.
All right.
Keyboards, the keyboards.
Okay, well, that's this segment.
Thank you.
So when Maria asked us to do a roast of her for 1K subs, we were talking with some friends, and the friends were like, "Yo, Safi, and guys, go as hard as you can. They must really hate her videos. They just want to demoralize it."
Yeah, I'm surprised that you guys aren't going in on.
Your character is fine.
No, but I mean, like, when I asked you guys, oh, what's one word to describe me? You guys went, oh yeah, pushover, doormat. You know,
Doormat.
the person who would go into
Not
an
like
MLM.
Insert
bad
picture,
way.
insert
I meant
image of
more
Maria as a doormat.
Yeah.
I meant more like over ambitious, you know?
Yeah, you're
like
probably a
overachieving,
cultist.
which actually
Yeah,
kind of
totally.
leads into my next piece here. So I don't get it. You still apply to jobs, right? Is Shopify not enough? Like, what's the greed here for? You know, I don't get it.
I want to take all the jobs, okay?
And then when you get rejected, somehow the CEO of Figma somehow gets your video.
So once I asked Maria for help on a maths homework. She said she will do it, but only at one condition, and that is that she'll never talk to me again. Never had I been in a more win-win situation than that.
Wow.
Anyways, Maria, congratulations on 1K subscribers. It's a big achievement, and it's inspiration to all of us
Whoa.
that if she can get
We all
1K
good?
subscribers,
Yes.
anyone can do anything.
Wow. One.
Give this a kick.
Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty.
If only you coded that consistently.
What do you mean? Oh. Yeah. If I look at my GitHub, I'm like, why don't I code that much?
Yeah.
Like I code at work and then hackathons, but I don't code side projects. And people keep DMing me on Instagram and being like, hey Maria, can you tell us about your side projects? And I'm like, you mean the non-existent ones?
Which one?
Yeah, which of the 0 side projects do you want me to talk about?
Well, wasn't there that? What happened to the Give Love project? The like donations thing.
Oh, that was just a hackathon.
That was a
one.
hackathon. They won my team was gonna win, but they won instead of
Oh,
us.
really, huh?
Yeah, we made
Oh,
such a
fuck.
good app. We made a financial
Oh,
tracker
I
app.
was depressed.
So, Maria, congrats on your 1K. But here's something you guys don't know. So, how much videos have you made, Maria? Like 40 of them? Yeah? But yet, she still has no idea how to make thumbnails. Her thumbnails are absolutely awful. And you guys don't see all the mistakes she makes because of us, right? So she puts these thumbnails into Discord so we can review them. But nobody wants to, so she tags all of us multiple times, individuals, in addition to everyone to get reviews. And so she's so desperate to get them, and yet nobody wants to help them. And that's how annoying she is. And even after us helping her, she still can't get enough views on her videos. What are you only at, like 200 views?
Get
For
more
your videos?
people. You get more people seeing the thumbnail than actually watch the video.
And on top of that, you know, like, I appreciate it if we get some credit for our work, but she doesn't credit us for that, right? Like, come on. She's just your average hypebeast YouTuber, you know?
What?
Not
more,
even
more
help-
people
no.
see the thumbnail than the video.
What can I say? That's Maria for you. Just kidding. We're glad to help you with your thumbnails, and congrats again on your 1K.
Yeah. Thank you, Jerry.
And I can
Wee,
make
so
recommendations based on your financial profile.
It's very
If you
messed up, but
consumed
it will
before.
taste good.
Can I say my roast?
Sure.
Hot enough, or not hot enough, popular enough to get DMs from guys.
Not hot.
But not popular enough to get DMs from cute guys. I was thinking of the fire, that's why I said hot.
No, but just not hot. Like,
Not hot.
That's already.
Wow.
Not you, the fire.
So I'm not
Fire's
hot, the
not
fire's hot?
Yes,
Wow.
that is what I meant.
Sad.
You know, I kind of botched it, but you get the point.
Boop.
You get the spirit. Just pretend it's a roast. Just be offended.
Okay.
I was watching Maria's video on YouTube, and suddenly my parents walked in. I switched to porn. It was easier to explain.
That's good. We find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends and me. You can count on me like
1, 2,
3,
I'll be there.